In this video, I want to show you how to replace the ink toner inside of your HP LaserJet Pro 4001N. So the ink toner is located under this panel, and to open the panel, you need to go on the right side, and you're gonna notice there is a button over here. Press on this button, it will unlock this panel, bring it down, and this is where the ink toner is located. Now you're going to slide your fingers under this handle and you're going to simply pull it towards yourself. So this is how you remove it. As you notice, this printer takes the HP LaserJet 148 toner, and it can be replaced with the W1480A. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get a replacement from Amazon. I'll put a link directly to this model. So once you get your replacement, take it, and we simply have to glide it the same position it was before. Okay, like this, and make sure you click it in place by pushing it all the way in. Then close the lid, and this is about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, check my Amazon links, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.